What is up, YouTube? This is MB.02 TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're going to be talking about the Puma Mb.02 in the Slime colorway. Now, this is a collaboration with Nickelodeon, and yes, it's a licensed collaboration with Puma, and I think it makes it that much more special because it is official. Now, as you can see right here on the side with this color blocking, it's gonna be this green, this lime green going down, and then it fades into the yellow. The biggest draw on these sneakers was this colorway, obviously, and the collaboration too, because I was a huge Nickelodeon / Cartoon Network kind of guy. What I love about this colorway personally is it reminds me a lot of the Kobe Grinches, and I really do think that LaMelo Ball, Puma, they came together and he was probably like, yo, look, I love the Grinches, let's make it on this one. And I think that's really what they did because it looks so similar to that colorway with the Kobe 6 Grinches. So shout out to that. If that was the collaboration they did, they pretty much nailed it because you have this fading of the green to the yellow, and then instead of red on those Grinches, you have the orange for Nickelodeon, obviously. As you can see right here on the side, I really like the dripping of the slime coming down the Puma kind of stripe or swoosh. And then we go on to see kind of like a holographic like pattern going on this green. Apparently this is supposed to be mimicking his other tattoo, the very first MB.01. Replicated the rockets, which was coming down this way on the MB.01, and this one is supposed to be the wings on his back tattoo. So that's another cool touch that we're just going with this tattoo kind of theme with him. But it works. If you guys look back on my other videos, I was actually hating on the MB.02 a little bit just because of the color blocking that they chose on the past, I think, 3 colorways that they went with. I wasn't the biggest fan of, but this one just got me to buy them. So now I have a pair of MB.01s and I now have a pair of MB.02s. And man, these are my Grinches. This is a poor man's Grinch. If you want the Grinches, this is it. Unfortunately, they do not come with another set of laces, like different color laces. You're kind of stuck with this yellow, and it's okay. It goes together well. The Kobe Grinches also came with these yellows, but I do have the MB.01s in the red colorway, so I think I'm personally going to switch them out, and it's going to really give it that kind of Grinch vibe even more. Now we go on to the toe of the sneaker. You can see more of that dripping right there, and it is a shiny material going right here. I personally don't like shiny materials on sneakers because they eventually wear out and sometimes make weird noises, but this one is okay because it is supposed to be mimicking the slime, which in real life is shiny, so it works. And we go on the inside and we have this kind of like reddish orangish kind of color right here, which is supposed to mimic that Nickelodeon logo, and again the holographic pattern going on these green patterns and stripes. Now I do like the translucent kind of like upper right here, and then you have this really cool like kind of shards of glass or wings going right here on the inside. On the back, you see it says Melo, the Puma logo, and of course the MB.01, which it's kind of shaped in a 1 instead of a 2. This is the MB.02. Anyways, and then we come to the bottom, and as you can see on this one, it says Rare with the Puma logo in the Nickelodeon orange, and on the other one, it has Slime on the bottom of it. So that was a good touch, and I really do like this traction. I think it's going to be really good on the court, and yes, these will be put on the court, and I'll be coming up with a video with that one soon. But overall, this is a fantastic sneaker, and I truly believe it came in last second in 2022, and I, thinking back on it, can't think of another sneaker that's going to top this one from 2022 on my list. And something before I go, I'm going to talk about the presentation from Puma. As always, it is astonishing. As you can see, they have this slime dripping all over the box, and of course they got the translucent little cutouts right here to match the pattern that's going on the shoe. You have MB.02, you have the MB.01 logo, you have the Puma logo on the side, not from here, the actual official trademark from Nickelodeon and Slime. And you can see more, sizing information, the sizing tag, and a little drip of slime right there at the other side. So good little touch and details on these sneakers. And like I said, 2022 this is probably my #1 sneaker in my collection that I added. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of these. Is this the sneaker of the year, or is it just the best Puma of the year? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And please be sure to share. The Grinches. MB.02 TV. Out.